Hey there, drivers and tech enthusiasts. Ever felt that unsettling worry about what happens on the road when you're not looking? Imagine capturing every crucial moment of your journey, making your driving experience safer and more accountable. Well, today, I'm going to introduce you to the top 10 dash cams for 2024 that are revolutionizing road safety. These aren't just any gadgets. They're your third eye on the road, blending cutting-edge technology with reliability. Whether it's for capturing scenic drives or for that added security, these dash cams are your must-have companions. So buckle up as we dive into the world of dash cams, where safety meets technology. 10th position, Kubo Carard Dash Camera. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Kubo Carard Dash Camera, a gem from the Hero Group. This made-in-India marvel stands out with its full HD 1080p resolution, ensuring every detail on the road is captured with clarity. Its wide-angle view offers comprehensive coverage, making it a reliable eyewitness in your car. The Kubo isn't just about recording. It's equipped with a G sensor for emergency recording, Wi-Fi connectivity, and GPS, enhancing its functionality beyond just capturing footage. Reasons to buy. Its Indian origin guarantees a product tailored for local conditions. The G sensor feature is perfect for capturing those critical moments during an accident. Reasons to avoid. The absence of a display might be a downside for those who prefer a visual playback option. Specifications. Resolution. Full HD 1080p special features. G sensor, Wi-Fi, emergency recording, GPS, viewing angle, not specified. The Kubo Carard Dash Camera is an excellent choice for those who value reliability and local innovation in their tech gadgets. 9th position, 70mm Pro++, a 500S dual-channel car dash cam. Sliding into the 9th spot is the 70mm Pro++, a 500S, a dual-channel powerhouse. This dash cam doesn't just watch the road, it keeps an eye on everything with its native true 4K Ultra HD resolution on the front and 1080p FHD on the rear. The Starvis 2 IMX678 image sensor ensures every frame is crisp and clear, day or night. Reasons to buy. The 4K resolution combined with the Starvis sensor offers unparalleled clarity, making it perfect for capturing every detail. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, enhance your driving safety, providing an extra layer of security. Reasons to avoid. The higher price point might be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Not everyone needs a screen, which could be an unnecessary feature for some. Specifications. Resolution, 1944p 2.5K front and 1080p FHD rear. Special features. ADS, G sensor, built-in GPS, mobile app control, viewing angle, 140 degrees. The 70mm Pro++, a 500S, is ideal for those who don't want to compromise on safety and crave the highest video quality in their dash cams. 8th position, DDPAI Mini Car Dash Camera. At number 8, we have the DDPAI Mini Car Dash Camera, a model of reliability and compact efficiency. This dash cam stands out with its resilience, boasting a wide working temperature range from -25 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. Its supercapacitor ensures longevity, making it perfect for 24-hour parking monitoring in diverse climates. Reasons to buy. The supercapacitor offers high reliability, especially in extreme weather conditions, making it a durable choice. Its crystal-clear Full HD 1080p resolution captures every detail on the road, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. Reasons to avoid. It might fall short for those seeking advanced features like 4K resolution or interior cabin recording. Specifications. Resolution, Full HD 1080p special features, supercapacitor, G sensor, Wi-Fi, parking mode, viewing angle, 140 degrees. The DDPAI Mini Car Dash Camera is a fantastic option for drivers who prioritize durability and consistent performance in their dash cams. 7th position, 70mm at 810 True 4K HDR Dual Vision Dash Cam. Claiming the 7th spot is the 70mm at 810 True 4K HDR Dual Vision Dash Cam. This device is a true game changer with its native 4K Ultra HD resolution, capturing the road with incredible detail thanks to the advanced Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. Its 140-degree wide-angle view ensures comprehensive coverage, making no detail too small to be missed. Reasons to buy: the native 4K resolution, coupled with the Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, provides exceptional clarity, perfect for discerning drivers who want the best video quality. Built-in ADAS enhances driving safety, offering an extra layer of protection on the road. Reasons to avoid: the higher price tag might be a deterrent for those on a tighter budget. The advanced features may be more than what an average user needs. Specifications: resolution, native 4K Ultra HD, 3840 x 2160. Special features: ADS, built-in GPS, mobile app control. Viewing angle, 140 degrees. The 70mm at 810 is ideal for tech enthusiasts who demand top-notch video quality and cutting-edge features in their dash cams. Sixth position, 70mm M300 Dash Cam. Coming in at number 6 is the 70mm M300 Dash Cam, a compact yet powerful device. This dash cam impresses with its 1.5K 1296p resolution, ensuring that every journey is recorded with sharp and clear visuals. The wide 140-degree field of view captures a comprehensive view of the road, leaving no blind spots. Reasons to buy: the 1.5K resolution with 3D DNR technology offers a perfect balance between high-quality recording and file size, ideal for regular drivers. Its wide field of view ensures that important details at the peripheries aren't missed. Reasons to avoid: those looking for 4K resolution might find the 1.5K slightly underwhelming. It might lack some advanced features found in higher-end models. Specifications: resolution, 1.5K 1296. Special features: 3D DNR, G sensor, Wi-Fi. Viewing angle, 140 degrees. Optional parking monitoring. The 70mm M300 Dash Cam is a great choice for drivers who need a reliable and high-performing dash cam without the complexity or cost of more advanced models. Fifth position, Transcend Drive Pro 550 new dash camera. Securing the fifth spot on our list is the Transcend Drive Pro 550 dash camera. This camera stands out with its dual lens system, capturing both front and rear views in full HD 1080p. Equipped with a Sony STARVIS sensor, it ensures clear footage in various lighting conditions, making it a reliable choice for all drivers. Reasons to buy: the dual lens recording feature offers comprehensive coverage, capturing events both in front of and inside the vehicle. Enhanced with infrared LEDs, it provides excellent night vision capabilities, ensuring clear recordings even in low light conditions. Reasons to avoid: the absence of a specified viewing angle might be a concern for those who prefer knowing the exact scope of the camera's coverage. Some users might miss having 4K resolution, which is becoming more common in newer models. Specifications: resolution, full HD 1080p, front and rear. Sensor, Sony STARVIS. Special features: dual lens, GPS, infrared LEDs. The Transcend Drive Pro 550 is an excellent option for drivers who value safety and want a comprehensive view of their vehicle's surroundings. Fourth position, NXD JTR, a 3-car dash camera. Grabbing the fourth spot is the NXD JTR, a 3-car dash camera, a standout choice for its adaptability and design. Proudly made in India, this dash cam is tailored for Indian climates, featuring a supercapacitor that ensures reliable performance even in extreme temperatures. Its full HD 1080p recording capability and advanced parking modes make it a tech-savvy choice for Indian drivers. Reasons to buy: the supercapacitor design offers exceptional durability and reliability in varied temperature ranges, ideal for the Indian climate. Its minimalist and detachable design, combined with crystal-clear image quality, makes it a sleek and efficient choice. Reasons to avoid: the absence of infrared night vision might be a drawback for those who frequently drive at night. Some advanced features like 4K resolution or cloud connectivity are missing, which might be sought after by tech enthusiasts. Specifications: resolution, full HD 1080p sensor, Taiwanese Sigma Star main processor. Special features: super capacitor, UUMERA app, advanced parking mode, viewing angle, 140 degrees. The NXD JTR A3 is perfect for drivers who prioritize a made-in-India solution with a focus on performance and durability. Third position, Transcend Drive Pro 10 dash camera. Claiming the bronze on our list is the Transcend Drive Pro 10 dash camera. This camera is a blend of simplicity and performance, offering a sharp 2K QHD 1440p resolution. The Sony STARVIS sensor enhances its functionality, allowing for clear and detailed recordings in various lighting conditions. Its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS for real-time speed and location tracking make it a top choice for tech-savvy drivers. Reasons to buy: the 2K QHD resolution paired with the Sony STARVIS sensor provides excellent video quality, capturing every detail on the road. Its user-friendly design and built-in GPS make it a practical choice for everyday use. Reasons to avoid: the viewing angle is not specified, which might be a concern for those who prefer a wider field of view. Advanced features like 4K resolution or cloud storage capabilities are absent. Specifications: resolution, 2K QHD 1440p sensor, Sony STARVIS. Special features: built-in GPS, Wi-Fi. The Transcend Drive Pro 10 is an ideal dash cam for those who seek a straightforward yet effective solution for their daily driving needs. Second position, WOLFBOX A129 dash cam. Securing the runner-up spot is the WOLFBOX A129 dash cam, a remarkable device that offers a complete 360-degree protection. This dash cam stands out with its 3-channel coverage, featuring 4K plus 1080p front and inside cameras and 2K plus 1080p rear, ensuring optimal video quality from every angle. The 3.0-inch LCD screen provides a clear view, while the infrared night vision enhances low-light recording, making it a comprehensive choice for drivers seeking advanced features. Reasons to buy: the 3-channel coverage offers an all-encompassing view, ensuring no blind spots around your vehicle. Infrared night vision capability ensures clear recording in low-light conditions, enhancing safety during night drives. Reasons to avoid: the complex installation process for the rear camera might be challenging for some users. The larger device size could be a concern for those who prefer a more discreet dashcam. Specifications: resolution, 4K plus 1080p, front and inside, /2K plus 1080p, rear, screen, 3.0-inch LCD. Special features: 360-degree full protection, infrared night vision, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi. Viewing angle, 150 degrees, front, 160 degrees, inside, 155 degrees, rear. The WOLFBOX A129 dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers who prioritize comprehensive coverage and advanced recording features. First position, VIOFO A129 Pro Duo 4K dual dash cam, and taking the top spot on our list is the VIOFO A129 Pro Duo 4K dual dash cam. This dash cam is a true leader in its class, offering unparalleled clarity with its Ultra HD 4K front and 1080p rear cameras. The Sony 8MP IMX317 sensor captures crisp, detailed footage, making it an ideal witness on the road. Enhanced with advanced night vision and DDPAI technology, it ensures reliable performance in all lighting conditions. The buffered parking mode, GPS, and Wi-Fi features add to its versatility, making it a top pick for drivers who demand the best. Reasons to buy: Ultra HD 4K resolution ensures that every detail is captured with utmost clarity, perfect for capturing crucial evidence. Buffered parking mode provides added security when your vehicle is parked, recording any incidents that occur. Reasons to avoid: the need for a separate purchase of a hardwire kit for full functionality might be a minor inconvenience. Specifications: resolution, Ultra HD 4K, front, /1080p, rear. Sensor, Sony 8MP IMX317, front, /Sony IMX291, rear. Special features: buffered parking mode, Wi-Fi, GPS, emergency recording, viewing angle, 140 degrees, front and rear. The VIOFO A129 Pro Duo 4K Dual Dash Cam is the ultimate choice for those who leave no stone unturned in their quest for the best driving experience. As we wrap up our journey through the top 10 dash cams for 2024, it's clear that each model brings something unique to the table. From the unparalleled clarity of the VIOFO A129 Pro Duo at the top spot to the innovative features of the WOLFBOX i07 and the simplicity of the Transcend Drive Pro 10, there's a dash cam for every need and preference. My personal pick: I'm leaning towards the VIOFO A129 Pro Duo for its exceptional 4K resolution and dual camera coverage. It strikes the perfect balance between high-end features and practical usability. However, for those who prioritize budget without compromising quality, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is an excellent choice. Remember, the right dash cam can be more than just a recording device. It's a crucial tool for enhancing your driving safety and peace of mind. Choose wisely and drive safely.